One day, a hungry dog found a big, tasty bone. He happily carried it in his mouth and walked home. As he crossed a small bridge over a river, he looked down and saw another dog in the water. "That dog has a bigger bone than mine," he thought. Greed filled his eyes. "I want that bone too." So the dog opened his mouth to grab it. Snap! His bone fell into the river. Splash! The other dog disappeared. It was just his reflection. Now he had nothing at all. The dog walked away, hungry and sad.